Today we're going to be making Slap Ya Mama popcorn. So let's get popping. Wow. Okay, that's really good. Today we're going to be making Slap Ya Mama popcorn. And basically what we're using is this seasoning that we picked up right at the grocery store. Slap Ya Mama. And it's a Cajun seasoning. So let's take a smell of this. Oh, yes, it's very savory. You can absolutely smell the Cajun to this. Smells really good. This can be used, this has a slap scale on it and it says medium. That's pretty cool. It's funny. And you can make all kinds of things with this. There's actually a little recipe here for Mama Jen's shrimp dip. It's good for any Cajun dish, but why stop there? You can boost it with a variety of foods. Oh, it even says on here, from popcorn to seafood. So we're gonna give this a try. It's made in Louisiana by Walker & Sons. So let's get popping. First thing we're gonna do is turn on our kettle. We are going to be using Buttery Goodness popping oil. This is a buttery oil. You can use this as a popping oil. You can also use it as a topping oil. And we're gonna be using 3 ounces of oil today. We're also gonna be using 8 ounces of kernels. So I have an 8-ounce cup here. We have gold medal mushroom kernels. 1 scoop of kernels out of here. We're gonna check the temperature of our kettle, see if it's up to temperature yet. We're at 423 degrees, so it's absolutely up to temperature. First thing we're gonna do is add our oil. And second, we are going to add our kernels. Kernels and our oil are spinning around in there. We're gonna close this up, let that heat up. And while it's doing that, we're gonna, man, that smells so good. It really does. This is the original blend, and it smells so good. I've never had this before. Awesome. We're gonna use, because we have about a gallon of popcorn or so that this is gonna yield, we're gonna use 1/3 of a cup of this. We're gonna see how it turns out. So I have 1/3 of a cup measuring cup here. We're just gonna pour it in. Nice heaping 1/3 of a cup. Oh yeah, look at that right there. Perfect. For us to season our popcorn the right way, we're going to be using a bag. This is a 2-gallon Ziploc bag because we have about a gallon of popcorn we're gonna be making in here, so this will be perfect to put in. So reminder, if you want to pick up your copy of the Popcorn Genius recipe book, absolutely free. There's a link down in the description. You can download that pretty much immediately. So check that out. Starting to pop, sounding really good. Oh yeah, this is working really good. This is our Paragon Theater Pop 8. They call it the Theater Pop 8 because it pops 8 ounces of kernels at a time. You can make a lot of popcorn in this over an hour. Like if you were just pumping out popcorn for like a concession stand or something like that, this machine would definitely do the trick for you. Okay, we're gonna listen for this to slow down, and as soon as it does, that's when we're gonna dump it. There we go, I think we're good. Turn off our kettle, give it a dump. We have our Ziploc bag. Now we're gonna take all of our nice hot popcorn and we're gonna put it right in this bag. I also wanna mention down in the description, there's a link to join the Popcorn Genius community if you're interested in that. We talk a lot about popcorn. There's a lot of resources in the community about how to use one of these theater style poppers, how to start your own kettle corn business, lots of different things with popcorn. So absolutely check that out too. All right, there we have our popcorn. As I mentioned, this is a 2-gallon bag, so you can see we have about a gallon or so in there. And we are going to take our Slap Ya Mama, and we're gonna slap our popcorn with it. We're gonna close this up. I'm gonna give it a shake. Okay, there we have it. Open it up, give it a smell. Oh yeah, okay. Definitely smell the Cajun in this. Oh yeah, it smells really good. Let's take a look at a piece here. Nice and coated, nice mushroom kernel there. Let's give it a taste. Ooh. Okay. Wow. It said medium. It's definitely spicy. Wow. Okay, that's really good. Let me give you some ideas of the flavors. Absolutely spicy. Oh yeah, it definitely has the Cajun. I don't know if you've ever had like a seafood boil or anything like that. It tastes just like that. Man, that's good. It's really spicy though. I really like that. Actually, I was gonna say we might, when I first dumped it in here, I thought maybe we needed some more seasoning, but honestly, it's right in there. It's very salty, very savory, really, really good. I love this flavor. Really, really good. Love Cajun. I'm not huge on spice. It was a little spicy for me, but it kind of comes along with Cajun. That's really good. So that popcorn, super, super good. So we just used this to make some great, great popcorn. Really great flavor. Love the Cajun flavoring. I could see why they call it Slap Ya Mama, and they got these hot peppers here because my mouth is definitely on fire. My point is you can make great flavors of popcorn just like this. If you check out the grocery store, they have a whole rack of seasoning there. You can pick out any seasonings you want, always season your popcorn in different ways, which is awesome. So remember, you too can make great flavors of popcorn just like this. You just got to get out there and get popping.